Technology, then and now. I asked to my parents some questions about technology. They joked then and now, when he and she have a profession. What is your first job and what do you currently do? My dad said in addition the studies have a tortilleria. Started um, as a packager, but only for a time. Next, my mom said the first job was cutting beans, picking apple, and then she went directly to what is now her profession because my grandfathers supported her with being a teacher. What materials did you use? The times used the complicated tools, materials, and other things in spite of its most actually rich materials. Basket, letter, microphone, recorder, pylon, fan, t-shirt, material, abacus, mimeograph, carbon sheet, cassette, mechanical typewriter, roll camera, TV, all of them only for my mom. But I asked, were they easy to use? And what disadvantages did they have? And she answered, no, they were heavy and laborious, but where or how to use and care properly. Moreover, my dad said me in a tools and materials things most scientific. scientific. However, stethoscope, lamp, available tone, scalpel, forceps, needles, needle holder, tissue, glass bottles, and containers. Were they easy to use? And what disadvantages did they have? Tweezers do not tie well. They have to be sterilized constantly because they didn't have the funds to with news or more to get rid of it, and they broke. Afterward, I asked if he and she have disadvantages or dangers in work in the actually. My dad is a doctor and answered due to the electrical machines, X-ray are and implants have a radiation and be dangerous for a body with cancer, organs. What security measures do you consider necessary? Unless use a protection with a full lead costume, but that fits the body, be light and flexible. Other problems with my mom is the children because it's a teacher. So, have there been disadvantages or dangers with them? Children sometimes grab the silicone gun and burn. It could happen that they are electrocuted by the curious thing that they are. Cyber spy. My parents' jobs are already mentioned, and now the materials they use, their disadvantages and advantages. Furthermore, the damage they could cause them and some counter that occurred to them. Have your career allowed you to know innovations? Which one? Radiography and study of the body in 3D, blood culturizing sponges, microscope operator, and sugar sensors for diabetes. Although my mom no have because it's only material in sheet. In addition, the TV for activities and videos. After I asked how many years did you use them, he answered from about 10 to 12 years. She answered from about 5 to 6 years due to only made them electric and mechanical typewriter and the computer. As a result, we can only conclude that the technology advanced in a big steps, approximately 10 years, and the world is connecting. It's better. Change our way of life and quality, and above all, the way of thinking. What definition could the people have of the technology? The answer of what for us will be sometimes old or common, and sometimes that seemed like science fiction, it's now about to be put on the market. What made things be faster and in a better way, efficient and that reduces the cost. Finally, my mom said, technology is incredible, amazing, but even more so the men and women who create it. Thank you.